sometime before 10:40 as well.
We can, because it's right there, but I don't
See
know.
what the situation.
The only one, I don't know which file it is, which castle it is, and I couldn't find it on the map under the schedule.
Like
Ahora tienen que pegarle
It
mucho.
just takes some time.
can you see?
Ahora dale así. Dale así toda.
Big, this is on the
Dame la pelota así.
I think it's really cool because of the antlers. With antlers. Last year with the dogs, so it's really cool. Dogs. There were two pieces. I'll show you. The pig is like so nice. Churro pack. It'll catch fast.
Let's go to a kiddie one.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Oh, it's a lady with standing.
the finale. It was
Yeah,
The one that
insane.
like
just
next to
It
midnight.
like hits you. It's like,
Oh man, I was sleeping and I was in my sleep and it felt like a fucking earthquake. So insane. I genuinely thought there was like a natural calamity or something.
I felt
I
high.
didn't know it was.
Like walking around.
It is a little bit like that.
Okay, pasará todo.
It is on fire. See John Lennon burn. I don't know if it's gonna burn because some were scheduled for midnight, some
Yeah,
for 1 a.m.
so we don't know that he's gonna be set on fire before 11 or 12 a.m. Wait, the reasons are at 11.
Colores is at 11.
We can just do a little
That's
stroll.
even at midnight, I think that's
We
just
can
kind
do
of
a
late.
little stroll because there might be stuff on fire on the way. So we
Any
can.
other circumstance, really a lot makes sense.
Not too
Well, they were saying, like, before my drawing class were saying that we recommend they actually wait just like hardware that it would take much longer. Like, it would take much longer to
That
burn.
one's very rude. This one's very rude.
And it was nice and last long, but now that they're making it, it takes like much longer.
Yes, but I think I'm gonna do it with the other camera because it's quite dark and it needs to be good.
You can see the fire.
Yeah, I need to make a little bit.
Okay. No, no, no.
Say fire!
You see the one that's in the middle?
Okay, that sounds good. Kissing the bees. You're like,
¿No te acuerdas que el fuego le gana a la planta? Y ahí se
Not the most environmental festival.
se ponen los árboles.
I put no mask on.
setting something on fire there. Just we started. What's on the fire?
I mean, yeah, because just look at everything.
tapis rouge.
Bueno, luego que ya al final ponía música.
Yeah.